Hi guys, Ron. Take tips, take stuff. How's it going? Magix has a deal on right now. If you buy Vegas Pro 17 on August 3rd when Vegas Pro 18 is released, you get a free upgrade. So if you're sitting on the fence, you have Vegas Pro 15 or 14 or 13 or even 16, and you want to take advantage of a deal, buy Vegas Pro 17 right now so you can get used to a lot of new features. And then when Vegas Pro 18 comes out on August 3rd, you get a free upgrade to the new version. So I'm looking forward to the new version of Vegas Pro 18. I'm using Vegas Pro 16 right now, and I get the latest build, and it's not that stable. It crashes a lot, and it shouldn't do that. But I'll put links in the description below where you can price out Vegas Pro 17 and see more about the deal they have. It's a pretty good deal, and if you're on the fence, I'd go for it. Buy Vegas Pro 17, install it, try out all the new features, so when Vegas Pro 18 comes out, you can be familiarized with most of the new features in the program. So just a heads up on what's happening. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.